Hello everyone, welcome to the Tech Guy Hub. And today I'll be talking about how to cancel subscription on AirtelTigo. So if you're an AirtelTigo user and your airtime is being consumed by a particular subscription, then this video is for you. So first of all, open your dialer and dial the USSD code. First of all, you have to check the subscription that you've made. And to do that, dial the *100 *3 *. Yeah, so just dial this code. Yeah, and AirtelTigo will send you the subscription that is on your SIM. So the number of subscription that's on your SIM, AirtelTigo will send them to you. Activate. So if you want to deactivate any subscription, then dial this code *100 *4#. Dial this code. Yeah, and select option 1. Deactivate content subscription. So option 1. Yeah, so realizing here I have no active subscription. So if there was a subscription, you realize the list will come in here and you select the particular subscription that you want to deactivate. So that's how simple and easy it is to deactivate service on AirtelTigo.